Number 8, determine the variance of the distribution 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 10, and 11. So if you're supposed to determine the variance and you're given such a distribution, the first thing you're supposed to get the mean. And for this case, you just add the individual values and divide by their number. The values are 7. So when you add, you'll get 49. So you take 49 and divide by 7. The mean is therefore 7. Then you need to arrange your values in a table like this. So 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 10, and 11. You also need to note that in some cases you'll be given values not in order. They are mixed up together. So it's your assignment to ensure that you arrange the values in order before you arrange in a table like this. Then D simply stands for the deviation, whereby you'll take x, then minus the actual mean that you have found. So our x is 3, minus 7 is negative 4, 4 minus 7 is negative 3, 5 minus 7 is negative 2, 7 minus 7 is 0, 9 minus 7 is 2, 10 minus 7 is 3, 11 minus 7 is 4. Then down here, you find the square of the deviations. This is negative 4 squared, negative 3 squared, negative 2 squared, 0 squared, 2 squared, 3 squared, and then 4 squared. Then what you need to do to get the variance, you simply take the sum of the square of the deviations, then divide by the number of items. So you add all these values here. So if you add, you'll find that the sum of the square of the deviation is 58. So you take that 58, then divide by the number of terms. Remember, number of items, there were 7. Then you will be able to get 8.286 when we divide. That is to 4 significant figures. Remember to check if there's anything in the question concerning the number of decimal places or significant figures, but this case there was no such instruction. You also need to know how to get the standard deviation, just in case you are asked such a question. So standard deviation is simply the square root of the variance. So the moment you get the variance, you can just go ahead and find the square root of 8.286286. But for this question, we haven't been asked that. I just thought it wise that you should know.